What is support and resistance? Support and resistance is a technical analysis concept that identifies price levels where a security's price is likely to find support or resistance. These levels are based on historical price data and psychological factors. Support: a price level where demand for a security is strong enough to prevent the price from falling further. When a price reaches a support level, it may bounce back up. Resistance: a price level where selling pressure is high enough to prevent the price from rising further. When a price reaches a resistance level, it may fall back down. Importance of support and resistance: identifying potential turning points. These levels can help traders and investors anticipate potential price reversals. Setting stop-loss orders. Support and resistance levels can be used to set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Determining entry and exit points. Traders may use these levels to determine when to buy or sell a security. Dynamic levels. Support and resistance levels are not static and can change over time. Breakouts. A breakout occurs when a price breaks through a support or resistance level. This can signal a potential trend reversal. Remember, while support and resistance can be a useful tool for technical analysis, it's not infallible. Other factors like market sentiment, economic indicators, and company fundamentals also influence stock prices. If you liked this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.